everyone, welcome back to another full turn review. So today we are reviewing the Claoner Dashcam, at least that's how I guess it's pronounced. This is a really economic high definition camera and comes with the front and rear cams. Both the front and the rear camera come equipped with the night vision, and while the front camera has 170 degrees field of view, the rear one has 130 degrees, and these nearly eliminate all blind spots while driving. Let's take a look what's inside the box. So there is the front camera, which looks like a point and shoot digital camera and has a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. There is a suction mount to attach it to the windshield. Then there is the reverse camera that I mentioned earlier. You can also connect it to your reversing lights to double up as a backup camera when reversing the car. Like I mentioned earlier, it comes with a 130-degree field of view. There is also the charging cable, which is quite long and easy to install. And finally, there is a USB cable to connect the camera to laptop or computer for easy transfer of the recorded files, and an adhesive mount, which honestly I prefer in comparison to the suction mount as the other one keeps coming off. There is also the user manual that you can refer to get a quick start. The camera has no internal storage, so you will also need an external micro SD card, which is not included in the pack. The front camera is a 12 megapixel camera and has 170-degree field of view. It has a 3-inch LCD screen and a slot for inserting micro SD card, and will need continuous connection to a power source as the internal battery only lasts 15 minutes. You can control the resolution, loop recording time, power on and off, and other features using the buttons on the side. The installation is super easy and probably takes less than 5 minutes. The suction mount can be screwed into the top of camera like this. You can also see the mini USB charging slot at the top of the camera, and this can be connected to the car cigarette lighter or another power outlet. So here we go, attaching it to the windscreen so that it doesn't block my view, and adjusting the camera so that it points to the hood of my car. The rear camera is IPX67 rated and is weatherproof to be used outside, but I'm putting it inside for now. Here is a recording from the front camera. As you can see, it's really good resolution and captures all the details quite vividly. Mind you, the weather condition hasn't been great when I'm recording this. It has snowed, it's raining a little bit, but the recording is still quite clear. And the reverse camera resolution isn't bad either. This is from inside the car on the back glass, which has little dust speck due to the rain, but you can still clearly see what's on both sides of the road. And finally, here is the video quality at night. I'm driving in a low light condition, weather is still not clear, but the recording is pretty good. And this was really important to me because I want to make sure that it records well in low visibility conditions. So overall, this dashcam does its job and does it well. And more importantly, it's easy on the pocket, so it gets a thumbs up. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you find the reviews helpful, please do subscribe to our channel here. We post a new full turn product review every week. So until next time, take care.